I told you guys to come to a location. Let's meet. Why are you coming to my house to embarrass me? What sort of embarrassment is this? I'm tired of all this. Why are you bringing cameraman? The one you brought the other time, I know how many calls I've received. Why are you embarrassing me? What's going on?
I'm just telling you, you say we should come to a location. Good. Do you know your plans? We don't know your plans.
I don't understand.
That's why we need to come to your house.
Good morning, actually, I don't just want to. I was the one who said we are not coming to your location. We don't know your plans. And that is why we say we are coming to your house. Do you understand me?
I don't understand, sir. You can go ahead.
Okay, you are the one that is insinuated that, okay, you need a settlement. And actually, for us to come to a location, before I say, no, I'm not coming to your location.
Yes.
Right away, I just want to let you know that this young man here, I don't know, you have to tell us the settlement, what settlement do you need and everything so that we can be able to move on from here.
The settlement that I want, I sold my land for 11 million. I sold my car for 3 million. And I was having cash of 7 million, which is 21 million that I gave to her before she traveled out of the country. I am not counting the ones that I gave to her, that she was there. When she will call me that there's no money, I'll send her money, some school fees, some other things that I would normally send for her. But that 21 million is what I want. She will give me my 21 million. That is what I want. Nothing more than that.
So if he gave you the 21 million, if he give you the 21 million naira now, you will allow the wedding to hold.
Yes.
You can't say that.
Okay, ma. For your own plan, you know, you are the one that called us for settlement. Yes. What plans did you have for the settlement?
Sir, when we were dating, he was sleeping with me. Did I charge you for it? I was helping you to do house chores.
It was true.
Did I charge you for it?
But now, since
no, just hold on,
level,
hold on. Let me say something.
Yes.
Okay, we're waiting.
Hold on. I help you to do house chores. I wash your clothes. I cooked for you, and we have together. If I'm to charge you for all the years we've been together, do you know how much you have to pay me? It's over 50 million. And then you are here requesting I should pay you 21 million.
You're just being ridiculous.
I am not. All what you did, you did it out of love.
Yeah, I did it out of love. But now, since it has turned the other way around, I need my money.
I also did what I did out of love. But now the love is not there. Come on.
The love is not
you
there.
need to wake up. We are not on the same level again. We are not on the same level.
I know we are not in the same level, but give me my 21 million.
Look at how you appear, putting up and down.
Yes.
Just look at
that. Hello, madam.
Please, see what I will do. See what
I don't understand. I don't understand what you're trying to say. You call me, you say for settlement, you are ready to settle this man. What is the noise about again?
See what I will do, just for the sake of love. Out of the 21 million he's calling.
Yes.
I will just, out of love and from my good heart, and because people have been calling, and I don't want to be labeled a bad person, so I'm going to give you, transfer to you right now 5 million so that you can go with it.
I'm not taking 5 million. What is 5 million? If it is 5 million, I will leave it now. But I'm not taking 5 million. You're giving me my 21 million. Because
so, madam, come close now. I don't know where you are going. You said 20. Somebody said that the money he wants is 21 million. Simply because of the one he gave you before you move to where you go. 21 million, the one they use in preparing for your visa and all those things with the money cash with you. He said that 21 million, he needed it. So the one in the school, when you are schooling at that period, where he say, he'll be sending money for you. He said he forgive you those ones. Because I was the one who told him, you cannot calculate everything. Yes. It's not only calculate everything because that time you people are in love. But the money he needed now is 21 million. And you are saying you are giving him 5 million.
I said I am giving him 5 million. And other things that we had. Did I charge him for it?
When you people
I charge him for
okay, the both of you, when you people are dating each other, is it not from your consent?
Sir, are you here for
settlement? No, it's the board. No. I'm just telling you why you are saying that when he slept with you did not charge him. That time people are in love. Everything is in the consent are there. There are consent.
The same thing, the school fees he paid for me was out of love too.
Did I calculate the school fees for you?
Yes.
I did not calculate.
I'm giving you 5 million. That is fine. If you are not taking it, then you can go.
I'm not taking
okay, you know what? That 5 million, I'm not giving you again. I've changed my mind.
Madam, come back.
Yes, I have changed my mind. You know what? I'm giving it to the security operative.
Don't worry about
let
that.
me see how you're going to come to the wedding. I'm going to hire bouncers on you that day. Okay. Come to the wedding. Let me see.
So
let me see how you enter.
So you want to use the five
cameraman. You are not ashamed.
Hello, madam. You want to use the 5 million. They say 5 million you are promised to give him now. You say you are not giving it anymore. That you are going to use it and give it to who?
Yes. Oga, please take away this your camera.
You want to give it to security that will prevent him not to come to your wedding.
Yes. That will serve him.
You think it's going to happen?
It's going to happen. Just watch and see.
You think it's going to happen?
Watch and see. Let him come. Let him test it and see.
Okay, let's say it's going to be now. See, let me give you one update where you don't know. Do you understand me? Where you are thinking security, all those things. See, before your wedding, I have 5 something. I have 5 secrets that we are going to do if you did not pay this young man before your wedding. I have 5 secrets. Let me reveal one for you. The remaining 4 I will not reveal it for you. Even if you bring security, bring everyone. See, your white wedding inside the church, they are doing it inside the church. I see the paper, I see where the church they are doing it, I see the date, I see everything, I see the time. See, let me tell you, a day to your wedding, this man is going to be in that church. Let's see how the security man will come into the church.
There's nothing
you will be surprised. Don't worry.
Don't
worry about that.
There's nothing you can do.
Ladies and gentlemen, this woman called me for settlement. He said people have been calling her, you want to settle. I didn't know that it's 5 million. Why this man is preparing 21 million? And right now, he's talking. He says he's not going to give that of 5 million again. He's going to give it to security to prevent him not to come. So I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think you can. This woman can call me for any settlement. I've suffered to come here anymore. So you say what? We should just go and get out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, don't just watch alone. Share a lot of people. We'll get to the end of this thing at the end of the day. If it is that church, you people will see us at our wedding. Don't worry. Thank you for watching and God bless you. No problem.